How to change incoming call ringing sound on Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone, whether you have the X23, X24 or any of the X series or H series or M series, any Samsung device, and you want to change your incoming call ringing tone sound, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing is go ahead and put the settings app on your Samsung. While on the settings page, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. After that, you want to locate ringtone, then click on it. Here, you should be able to change your ringtone sound on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You have some predefined sounds here and they are sectioned into categories. Here you have the Galaxy. If you scroll down, you have Cam. Then if you scroll down again, you have Fun. You have Retro and so many more for each SIMs you have on your Samsung Galaxy device. Now, to change the incoming call ringtone sound on your device, you can just go ahead, choose whatever you want to use here. You see that? Or stick to Samsung default. And if you are using a dual SIM and you want to change ringtone on both SIMs, repeat the same thing here, and you can also increase the notification sound here. And once you're done, just hit the back button. However, you can also set a predefined sound as your Samsung phone incoming call notification ringtone. To do this, just click on the plus icon at the top right, and here you can go ahead and select your pre-downloaded sound and set it as your Samsung Galaxy phone. You see that? So that is basically how to change incoming call ringing tone sound on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.